You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Sure?
I'm alright.
You don't look like you're alright.
Really? Alright, man, babe. What are you talking about?
Last time I tell you something. I make it my point of duty to study people around me. So I know when them good and them not good. I will soon get married, Gladstone. I can't bother with the secret thing.
Honestly, secret in the J. It's just that man so I run the charity organization for the girl there, man. I'm one of the managers. But you have this other manager come like him and big. Man, it's a night some time, brother.
You know, say you know everything about my past. I mean, I know nothing about you.
Jay, you're the one who chose to tell me about your past. You know?
Wow. Wow. Okay. So that means I'm not gonna know about you then.
Babe, whenever I say that, you know, it's just we talk about it, alright? But not right now. It was a very traumatic experience for me. I don't want to talk about it right now.
But now I want to talk about your past, Gladstone. May I talk about the present too. And the little things them we have pop up since we start there.
Like what?
Your church mother. And the fact that you're a manager for your business too.
But Jay, whenever I talk about this already.
Talk about what? Mine is somebody else that can't with me. Because we don't have the conversation you all know. Let me ask you something. How much more something I ever find out after we're married?
Babe, one of them there, but promise, right, that we'll have a conversation about my past. A full-blown conversation. Anything you want to know, I'll let it out.
And some of them phone call the way you take to. Can you... Thank you.
What about my phone call? Jenny, you're aware that we'll have our own space, right? Even though we'll get married.
Sir, I'm not invade your privacy. You can have all the space you need, like an astronaut. But know this, anything when I see suspicious, me I go talk about it.
What do you mean suspicious? Where I try, Sir Jay? Phone call them look shady to or something?
Well, that's not the right word. But that is...
Let me tell you this. Let's get one thing straight. We're two different people becoming one through wedlock. But we're still our own individual. You're not gonna ever move on me. Before you do anything, hold on. We can just get back to the time of wedding, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Masu said that she can meet with us one day this week at the new place. After that, we can finalize the date for the wedding. How that's so?
What? That's the next thing. So we have to meet with she to finalize a date for our wedding. I don't understand that.
Jay, it's just protocols. I just couple church rules and I just say.
Alright, Gladstone.
Babe, you're going to be so instrumental in this youth development program for the church. Right? She just want me to do so she can tell you what is expected of you. That's it.
You realize that when I impose this for me? I never asked for this.
So, you don't want to do it? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, man.
So, babe, you okay with the venue for the reception and the service in one?
Let me ask you something. Masu good with it?
Seriously, Jay? Don't be like that.
But you look like everything I forgot through she.
Babe, this is all about you right now.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
The energy change.
Yeah, change.
Anyways, who's going to be your giveaway father?
Kitten. I try get him, but me not get him. I don't know what I'm going. From what day I call him, me not get him phone.
King? Wait, your done father?
Yeah, power.
Babe, you sure you want to use him? Him not still live a shady life.
Last time I'm tell you this. You see, on my wedding day, if I'm not George Connolly, aka King, aka father figure, I walk me down the aisle, as if it's a foreign hospital or the mall. You overs that, pastor,